What if I told you that Christmas, the season of joy, generosity, and togetherness, is deeply intertwined with monarchy? Yes, every carol sung, every tree adorned, and every festive feast carries echoes of royal influence, shaping the holiday as we know it. Today, we are unwrapping the regal traditions behind Christmas, revealing how kings and queens gave this season its splendor. It all begins with the Nativity. The birth of Christ wasn't merely a spiritual event, it was proclaimed as the arrival of a king. The angel sang, "A king is born," and the three wise men, often called kings, brought royal gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Even King Herod saw this moment as a challenge to his throne. From its very inception, Christmas has been a story of royalty. Fast forward to medieval Europe, where monarchs didn't just observe Christmas, they defined it. And if you take the Christmas tree, a symbol now cherished worldwide, it was Queen Victoria and Prince Albert who popularized this German tradition in Britain, setting a trend that quickly spread across continents. This wasn't just a festive decoration, it was a royal endorsement. The carols we love so much also carry royal themes.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Celebrates the birth of a king, while the good king Wenceslas reminds us of compassion and duty of monarchy. And in Finland, the ancient royal tradition of Christmas peace still endures. A declaration once issued by monarchs to ensure tranquility during this sacred time. Even coronations embraced Christmas. Monarchs like Charlemagne and William the Conqueror deliberately chose Christmas Day for their crowning moments, aligning their reigns with divine legitimacy. It was a statement to their people. Their rule was sacred as the season itself. And let's not forget Santa Claus. The beloved Saint Nicholas was a revered figure in monarchical Russia before evolving into the jolly gift giver we know today. His spirit of generosity mirrors the royal customs of giving that defined Christmas celebrations across centuries. So the next time you gather around the Christmas tree, remember that you are participating in a legacy shaped by monarchs. This holiday isn't just about joy, it is about honoring centuries of royal traditions that continue to inspire us. As you revel in the season magic, why not explore more stories of how monarchies have influenced our world? Happy Royal Christmas! Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.